Hello, my name is Joe Teixeira from Muxlab. Today we're introducing two new products for streaming. They allow users to stream to services and platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, and many others. The system comprises of two systems. The first one supports a full HD camera with pan-tilt zoom control, including a 12 times optical zoom. It includes a wireless microphone, a transmitter, and an application that is intuitive and easy to use, supporting Windows, iOS, and Android. The second kit is similar to the first, but adds a switcher to be able to switch between different camera views. You can switch up to 4 cameras. If you would like more information on these products, please visit us at www.muxlab.com, or you can email us at info@muxlab.com. Thank you very much.